Good morning, everyone. I have come again today with another revision of Geography Paper 1, 2018. Please just revise carefully and grab your success. So the questions today are from questions 1 to 47. So question 1 says, Ordnance Survey maps show all of the following natural features except Ordnance Survey maps show all of the following natural features except the answer is A, which is climate. Question 2. If the scale of a map is 1:25,000, how far would be the ground distance if there is a measurement of 17 centimeters on such a map? If the scale of a map is 1:25,000, how far would be the ground distance if there is a measurement of 17 centimeters on such a map? The answer is C, which is 4.25 kilometers. Question 3. The figure 1 below is for question 3. The grid reference for the mountain peak is the grid difference for the mountain peak is the answer is A. The answer is A, question 3. Question 4. On a topographic map, the evidence of a poorly drained area is the presence of. On a topographic map, the evidence of a poorly drained area is the presence of. The answer is B. The answer is B, which is swamps and marshes. Question 5. The experience of day and night is caused by. The experience of day and night is caused by. The answer is A. The answer is A. Question 6. Which of the following is the characteristics of longitude? Which of the following is the characteristics of longitude? The answer is D. They run from west to east. That is it. Question 7. If local time in town X is 10 p.m. and that of town Y is 4 p.m. on the same day, it implies that the town X lies to the dash of Y. So if If local time in town X is 10 p.m. and that of town Y is 4 p.m. on the same day, it implies that the town X lies to the answer is D, to the south of Y. D, to the south of Y. So, questions 8. Water from the Earth's surface gets to the atmosphere through the process of Water from the Earth's surface gets to the atmosphere through the process of The answer is D, which is evaporation. Question 9. What other name can be given to the water cycle? What other name can be given to the water cycle? The answer is A, hydrological cycle. That's the answer, is A. Question 10. On a weather map, a line connecting places of equal air pressure is called On a weather map, a line connecting places of equal air pressure is called The answer is B, isobars. Isobar, which is this answer. Answer is B. Question 11. Water vapor condenses into water droplets in the atmosphere when water vapor condenses into water droplets in the atmosphere when The answer is B, is when dew point is reached. Answer is B. Question 12. Generally, mountain tops tend to be colder. Which factor of climate is referred to in this statement? Generally, mountain tops tend to be colder. Which factor of climate is referred to in this statement? The answer is B, altitude. Altitude. Question 13. Which type of climate does the data on table below represent? Which type of climate does the data on table below represent? The answer is C, tropical monsoon climate. Question 14. When the relative humidity of an area is low, how would the hygrometer look like? When the relative humidity of an area is low, how would the hygromic When the relative humidity of an area is low, how would the hygrometer look like? The answer is A. The answer is A. The wet and dry bulb. The wet and dry bulb thermometers read differently. All right. Question 15. This is a method of soil conservation. This is a method of soil conservation. Answer is C, terracing. Question 16. Sort out the odd statement from the information on vegetation below. Sort out the odd statement from the information on vegetation below. The answer is B. Question 17. A large A large area with the same characteristics of climate, soil, plants, and animals is a large area with the same characteristics of climate, soil, plants, and animals is a. The answer is C. Question 18. When two continental plate margin meet, they form. When two continental plate margins form. When two continental plate margins meet, they form. The answer is D. The answer is D, which is full mountain chains. Question 19. Rocks formed from fragments of other rocks or remains of living organisms are called. Rocks formed from fragments of other rocks or remains of living organisms are called. The answer is C, sedimentary rocks. Question 20. Faulting will produce the following, except faulting. Faulting will produce the following except D. Answer is D, dikes. Faulting will produce the following except dikes. Question 21. An exfoliation dome is formed by. The answer is A, wetting and dry. Question 21. Study figure 2 and answer the questions that follow. The features represented by letters WX, Y, and Z in their correct order are. The answer is A. A cave, a cliff, a blowhole, and cape. The features represented by letters W, X, Y, and Z in their correct order are. The answer is D. Question 23. Which of the following groups of gases is made up only of greenhouse gases? Which of the following groups of gases is made up only of greenhouse gases? Answer is A. Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide. Okay. Question 24. Study the following. The following. Which of the following pairs give only causes of floods in lowlands? Which of the following pairs give only causes of floods in lowlands? The answer is B, which is 1 and 3. Question 25. Desertification is experienced in Desertification is experienced in The answer is A, semi-arid climate. Question 26. The following are some effects of volcanicity. So which combination gives only the beneficial effects to man? The following are some effects of volcanicity. Which combination gives only the beneficial effects to man? The answer is A. Question 27. At what stage of economic development on the Ros- Rostow's model can Cameroon be placed? At what stage of economic development on the Rostow's model can Cameroon be placed? The answer is C, the take-off. Question 28. Which among these is not one of the Millennium Development Goals? Which among these is not one of the Millennium Development Goals? The answer is D, reduced level of education. Question 29. A cocoa farmer who grows some maize and cocoyams in between his cocoa plants for subsistence is practicing. A cocoa farmer who grows some maize and cocoyams in between his cocoa plants for subsistence is practicing. The answer is B, which is mixed farming. B. Question 30. Which of these is a characteristic feature of intensive farming? Which of these is a characteristic feature of intensive farming? The answer is D, large farm sizes. Question 30. In which of these forests do trees occur in pure stands for easy exploitation? In which of these forests do trees occur in pure stands for easy exploitation? The answer is B, tropical rainforest. Question 32. An important way to conserve fish resources is to An important way to conserve fish resources is to Answer is C, issue licenses to whoever wants to exploit. Question 33. It involves the sieving of deposits of sand and particles of valuable minerals such as gold. It involves the sieving of deposits of sand and particles of valuable minerals such as gold. What name is given to this mineral method? What name is given to this mineral method? The answer is B. Answer is B. Question 34. Which one of the following is an advantage of hydroelectric power (HEP) over coal? Which one of the following is an advantage of hydroelectric power over coal? The answer is C. Hydroelectric power is cleaner to use than coal. Read the following newspaper. Report carefully and answer questions 35 and 36. Question 35. The environmental hazard suffered by the farmers can be described as The environmental hazard suffered by the farmers can be described as The answer is C, which is drought. Question 36. Farming type in the passage can best be described as Farming type in the passage can best be described as The answer is B, irrigation farming. Question 37. It is the fastest, most comfortable, but most expensive mode of transport. It is the fastest, most comfortable, but most expensive mode of transport. The answer is C, which is air transport. Question 38. One of the following is an incorrect strategy for development that can be used by the low-income countries to attain economic emergence. One of the following is an incorrect strategy for development that can be used by the low-income countries to attain economic emergence. The answer is C. Answer is C. Question 39. The following statements are reasons for trade blocs except the following statements are reason for trade blocs except answer is B. They lead to the production of low quality goods. Question 40. What will tourists wish to avoid? What will tourists wish to avoid? The answer is D. Civil strifes. Question 41. A region has 30,000 inhabitants with a surface area of 5,000 kilometers square. What is the population density of this region? A region has 30,000 inhabitants with a surface area of 5,000 kilometers square. What is the population density of this region? The answer is B, which is 6 persons per meter square. Question 42. The number of babies who die before the age of 1 in a year expressed as a thousand of the number of live birth of a country's population is. The number of babies who die before the age of 1 in a year expressed as a thousand of number of live birth of a country's population is. The answer is B, infant mortality rate. Question 43. In a village that depends on agriculture, what factors will the people consider in locating their village? In a village that depends on agriculture, what factors will the people consider in locating their village? The answer is A, which is fertile soils and grazing land. Question 44. The ranking of towns according to their sizes and function is referred to as. The ranking of towns according to their sizes and functions is referred to as. The answer is B, which is urban hierarchy. Question 45. Question 45. Bangkok is the capital city of Thailand. 40% of its passengers go by Bangkok is the capital city of Thailand. 40% of its passengers go by ventilated buses and suffer from chronic gas poisoning. What type of pollution is referred to in the passage? The answer is B, air pollution. Question 46. Question 46. The harvesting of rivers constitute major projects in both development and developed country, both developing and developed country. The harvesting of rivers constitute major projects in both developing and developed countries. Pick out the correct project and river over which it is found. The answer is A. Answer is A. Question 47. Which one of the following is an active volcanic mountain in Cameroon? Which one of the following is an active volcanic mountain in Cameroon? It's A. Mamfaku. Okay, thank you very much. Please grab your success, revise well, and pass your exams with ease. See you next time.